So good morning students. So last class we discussed about the quicklime calcium oxide. Okay, and so anomalous properties, similarities with aluminum of beryllium. Okay, quicklime how to prepare. So decomposition of calcium carbonate we have to prepare the quicklime. Quicklime is nothing but what? Calcium oxide. Okay, it is melting point 2870 Kelvin temperature. This is discussed. And it is absorb the carbon dioxide from atmosphere to produce the calcium carbonate. It is absorb the moisture to produce the calcium hydroxide. And it is uses properties. It is reactive. It is being a basic nature. Calcium oxide is the being a basic oxide. It is reacting with the acids to form the salts. Okay. So let us today we are going to discuss calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. Calcium. So calcium hydroxide is also known as what? Slaked lime. Slaked lime. Calcium hydroxide is also known as slaked lime. Calcium hydroxide. Last class we discussed about calcium monoxide, that is calcium oxide. So today we are going to discuss calcium hydroxide. It is also known as what? Slaked lime. Slaked lime. So coming to here, so how we can prepare the calcium hydroxide? Okay. So calcium hydroxide is preparation. Simply remember like this. Preparation. So calcium hydroxide is prepared from quicklime only, calcium oxide, and react with atmospheric water to form the calcium hydroxide. So calcium hydroxide is known as quicklime. Calcium hydroxide is known as slaked lime. See how to prepare calcium oxide. So pass to the water, react with water to form the calcium hydroxide, that is slaked lime. Preparation. How we can prepare the calcium hydroxide? So calcium oxide react with water to form the calcium hydroxide, and it is white amorphous powder. Properties, and it is soluble, strictly soluble in water. It is soluble in water. Okay. So, however, calcium hydroxide, aqueous calcium hydroxide solution is known as lime water. Aqueous calcium hydroxide solution is known as lime water. Okay. Aqueous solution is known as aqueous calcium hydroxide. Aqueous means what? Water. Whenever calcium hydroxide is containing water, that such type of solution is known as lime water. So suspension of calcium hydroxide. Okay. So suspension of calcium hydroxide solution, that is okay. So and suspension of calcium hydroxide, suspension of water in calcium hydroxide solution is known as, that is milk of lime. Suspension of calcium hydroxide solution. Suspension in water of calcium hydroxide solution. Calcium hydroxide solution is known as milk of lime. Which means milk of lime when is called suspension. Suspension means what? It is become a white precipitated. Okay, white like milk of lime, like milk color. Whenever suspension in water of calcium hydroxide solution is known as milk of lime. Only aqueous calcium hydroxide and water solution. Only calcium hydroxide water solution is there. That is lime water. Okay, it is properties. This is simply remember. Preparation is what? Calcium oxide react with water molecule to form the calcium hydroxide. It is what? Calcium hydroxide. It is white amorphous powder. It is soluble in water. it is aqueous calcium hydroxide solution is known as lime water. That means, which means, when aqueous means what here? Water molecule. Whenever calcium hydroxide is combines with water is called lime water. And coming to the, whenever calcium hydroxide in water with suspension means like milk, such type of solution is known as milk of lime. Such type of solution is milk of lime. Is it clear? Are you getting? Simple you can write. In exam point of view, you have to write this points only. So calcium hydroxide, calcium oxide react with water to form the calcium hydroxide. It is white amorphous product. It is soluble in water. Aqueous calcium hydroxide solution is known as lime water. Suspension in water of calcium hydroxide solution is known as milk of. Suspension is like white color, pure white color. Precipitation, pure white color of calcium hydroxide in water, pure white color. Such type of solution is known as milk of lime. Is it clear? And coming to the calcium hydroxide, this chemical reaction, calcium hydroxide react with carbon dioxide, calcium hydroxide react with carbon dioxide to form the calcium carbonate. Is it clear? And water. Calcium carbonate and water. Okay. So, however, excess of carbon dioxide pass through the calcium hydroxide solution. It is very simple. Calcium hydroxide, carbon dioxide is passed through the milk of lime to produce the calcium carbonate. If in case excess of carbon dioxide is passed through the calcium hydroxide solution to convert the calcium bicarbonate, excess of carbon dioxide. See, excess of carbon dioxide passed through the calcium hydroxide. Excess of carbon dioxide passed through the calcium hydroxide solution to form the calcium bicarbonate. Is it clear? Excess of carbon dioxide pass through the calcium hydroxide solution to form the calcium bicarbonate. Is it clear? Excess of carbon dioxide to form the. So, which means excess of carbon dioxide positive. That means this calcium carbonate. Is it clear? Excess of carbon dioxide pass through this calcium carbonate to form the calcium bicarbonate. This name is calcium bicarbonate. Is it clear? I am getting. So, whenever carbon dioxide is passed through the milk of lime to form the calcium carbonate, So, excess of carbon dioxide passes through the calcium carbonate to produce the calcium bicarbonate, and it's chemically this calcium hydroxide is reacted with chlorine. To form the bleaching powder, hypochlorite. Whenever calcium hydroxide is reacted with chlorine to form the hypochlorites. Whenever calcium hydroxide reacts with chlorine to form the hypochlorite, which is usually bleaching powder. That is, so see calcium hypochlorite. That is calcium chloride and CO, calcium hypochlorite and water molecules. Is it clear? What I am saying? See, this is a remember chemical reactions. So, calcium hydroxide, whenever carbon dioxide is passed through the milk of lime, to produce the calcium carbonate. If excess of carbon dioxide is passed through this calcium carbonate to produce the calcium bicarbonate. See, this calcium carbonate, this is the. And another chemical reaction, calcium hydroxide react with chlorine to form the calcium chloride and calcium hypochlorite. calcium hypochlorite, which is used in bleaching powder. Bleaching powder. Is it clear? So this is the chemical reaction, remember. So is it clear? So whenever how to prepare the calcium hydroxide is calcium oxide reacting with water to form the calcium hydroxide. So here is what happened. So calcium hydroxide is chemical reactions. Calcium hydroxide is on passing of carbon dioxide to milk of lime of calcium hydroxide to form the calcium carbonate. If carbon dioxide is passed through the excess of carbon dioxide passed through the calcium carbonate to form the calcium bicarbonate. And chemical reaction, calcium hydroxide react with chlorine to form the hypochlorites, which is bleaching powder. Is it clear? What I am saying simply, preparation and this chemical reaction. Simply remember, calcium hydroxide, how to prepare? Calcium oxide react with water to form the calcium hydroxide. It is white amorphous powder and it is more soluble in water. Is it clear? It is aqueous solution of calcium hydroxide solution is called lime water. Suspension of water and lime water. Suspension of water is called calcium hydroxide solution is called milk of lime. Reaction, chemical reaction, calcium hydroxide, carbon dioxide passes through the milk of lime to produce the calcium carbonate. If excess of carbon dioxide is passed through the aqueous carbon dioxide, containing water, passes through the calcium carbonate to produce the calcium bicarbonate. And calcium hydroxide react with chlorine to form the hypochlorites. This is the hypochlorites, which is used as a bleaching powder. Okay, is it clear? And next one is uses of calcium hydroxide. Uses of calcium hydroxide. So what is the uses of calcium hydroxide? So it is used in mortar, and it is used in a bleaching powder, and it is used as a whitewash. It is used in mortar, bleaching powder. It is used in whitewash due to significant nature, and it is used in making of glasses. It is used in glass making and tanning industries. It is used in glass making and tanning industries and preparation of tanning industries, and it is used in purification of sugars, This is the uses, simply. This is the uses only. Okay. So it is used in mortar, bleaching powder. It is used in whitewash due to significant nature, and it is used in glass making, tanning industries, purification of glass, purification of sugars, and building, manufacture of buildings. Is it clear now? Simple uses you can remember like this. Okay, so what is the simply you have to preparation, remember properties and preparation and properties and uses. Simply any calcium oxide, simple like that you have to remember. Is it clear? And coming to the another one is calcium carbonate. Next one is calcium carbonate. So how to prepare the calcium carbonate? How to prepare the calcium carbonate? So generally, naturally it is occurs. Naturally it occurs as a marbles, chalk, and so stones. It is naturally it is occurs marbles, chalks, and limestones, and etc. It is naturally it is occurs. Marbles, chalk, limestone, and etc. So chemically, how can prepare? It is naturally. You can go anywhere. So like limestone, like white color stones will appear. Okay, that is what calcium carbonate. So how we can prepare this limestone? Simply, that is calcium carbonate. How we can prepare the calcium? Okay, which is also called limestone, calcium carbonate. So simple, already you know calcium hydroxide react with carbon dioxide to form the preparation. How is preparation? Calcium hydroxide react with carbon dioxide to form the calcium carbonate and water. And however, calcium chlorides react with sodium carbonate, additional sodium carbonate. So calcium chloride is additional with sodium carbonate to form the calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. Preparation of calcium carbonate. Simply, calcium hydroxide react with carbon dioxide to form the calcium carbonate. Calcium chloride react with additional with sodium carbonate to form the calcium carbonate. Here is one point to remember. You can avoid the excess of carbon dioxide. Don't add the excess of carbon dioxide. Why? Because here is getting, if in case excess of carbon dioxide, we have to add this in this preparation. You will get the calcium bicarbonate. It is insoluble in water. Is it clear on what I am saying? It is insoluble in water. Is it clear? Simply, you have to prepare the. It is naturally occurs as a marbles, chalk, limestones. Chemically, how it is prepared? Calcium hydroxide react with carbon dioxide to form the calcium carbonate and water. So this calcium chloride react with sodium carbonate. This is what sodium carbonate. Chlorides of calcium and sodium carbonate, addition with sodium carbonate to form the calcium carbonate. Here is one remember. So excess of carbon dioxide you can avoid. Why? Because if excess of carbon dioxide you have to avoid add this reaction, you will get the calcium bicarbonate. Previously we discussed, you will get the calcium bicarbonate. Is it clear? Okay. So next, chemical properties. Whenever this calcium carbonate heating 270 Kelvin temperature to form the calcium oxide and carbonate. Quicklime. This is what quicklime. Calcium carbonate heating with 270 Kelvin temperature, quicklime. Okay. And it is the white powder. Fluffy powder, white color, smooth, fluffy powder, white powder, smooth powder. It is soluble. Okay, so it is almost insoluble in water. It is also almost insoluble in water. Okay, calcium carbonate is almost insoluble in water. It is smooth powder, fluffy powder. It is insoluble in water. It is about 270 Kelvin temperature to form the calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Properties: it is insoluble in water. And it is smooth powder. It is a smooth powder. And however, it is Calcium carbonate is heating about 1270 Kelvin temperature to form the calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Okay, and calcium carbonate is reacted with dilute nitric acid. Calcium carbonate reacted with dilute acids to produce the carbon dioxide gas. Calcium carbonate so reacted with dilute acids, calcium carbonates reacted with dilute nitric acid. So dilute acid, calcium carbonate reacted with dilute acids to give carbon dioxide gas. Is it clear? For example, calcium carbonate react with dilute acid, for example hydrochloric acid, to form calcium chloride and water and carbon dioxide. Is it clear? And same calcium carbonate react with sulfuric acid, dilute sulfuric acid, to form the calcium sulfate and water and carbon dioxide. Is it there? So calcium carbonate react with dilute acids to give the carbon dioxide. Dilute only, it is not concentrated. Dilute acids. Calcium carbonate react with hydrochloric acid to form the calcium chloride, water and carbon dioxide. Calcium carbonate react with sulfuric acid to form the calcium sulfate, water and carbon dioxide. Gases releases. Is it clear? Is it clear what I am saying? Okay. And next one is when it is used for preparation for quick lime and building materials. Calcium carbonate is used for preparation of quick lime and used for preparation of quick lime, and it is used for building materials. Okay. And it is calcium carbonate, it is combined with calcium carbonate with magnesium carbonate used as flux to extraction of metal atoms, like iron, and explosive, highly calcium carbonate used to make highly concentrated, or it is highly quantity of calcium carbonate used for to preparation of papers, and it is used in so in preparation of chewing gums, and it is used in filled in cosmetics. Small quantity of calcium carbonate used in, that is cosmetics, and it is used in smooth toothpaste. It is used as a toothpaste. Okay, generally it is used as what is the use of calcium carbonate? So calcium carbonate uses, first one is it is used in first one is preparation of quick lime and calcium carbonate with magnesium carbonate used as flux. That means flux means combines. Calcium carbonate combines with magnesium carbonate used as a flux. We will come to the metallurgy term. So calcium carbonate with magnesium carbonate used as flux to extraction of metal atoms, such as iron, and calcium carbonate used in papers. It is used in toothpaste and chewing gums, filler in cosmetics, and chewing gums, okay, etc. So many. Okay. And next one is it is used as a chewing gum It is used in filler in cosmetics. It is used in preparation of quicklime. It is calcium carbonate with magnesium carbonate used as flux. Flux means it is one term flux whenever both are combined to extract the metal such as iron. It is used in paper and it is used in toothpaste and filled in calcium carbonate filled in cosmetics. Calcium carbonate is also called limestone. Calcium carbonate is used as a limestone also. Limestone. Okay, so many uses is there. Okay, etc. So many uses is there. You remember one or two only uses. Any topic you remember one or two uses. Enough one. Is it clear? Okay. So this is the preparation of calcium hydroxide and calcium carbonate. Simply. Okay, I will not give the notes. Okay, from highlights, very highlights. Okay, you textbook you revise that whatever I taught in video lectures. So in the textbook is as it is there. As it is you write this notes. Okay, is it clear? How to preparation properties, chemical reactions. Okay, I hope you will understand this class. So after watching this video, you should revise the textbook ones. Okay, thank you.